Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome. This week on Habit 2, Begin with the End in Mind, we're going to work on Think Ahead. Habit 2, Begin with the End in Mind, inspires you to imagine your future. Tomorrow, 5 years from now, what type of person do you want to be? And what do you want to be doing? Let's listen to some of these sentences. When people describe me in 5 years, I would like them to use words like, my biggest dream for the future is, one thing I would like to start doing to achieve my dream is. So after considering those questions, here's an example that maybe you can consider. Elena's end in mind is to run a half marathon on her 12th birthday. She can picture herself crossing the finish line. Here are 3 actions that Elena will do to reach her goal. Eat healthy foods, invite a friend to run with her, and join the school track team. So boys and girls, think ahead. What is your end of mind? Talk about this with your classmates and create 3 action goals that will help you achieve your big picture goal. Also, check in with an accountability partner, as that typically helps us always achieve what we have to begin with the end in mind. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Boys and girls, thank you so much for those that have already donated an extra bag or 2 of candy for our fall festival. Continue to bring them in if you can, and we hope to see many of you for our fall festival.
Hi Mustangs, Mrs. Brittingham here. Unity Day is Wednesday, October 16th. Bullying is when someone continues to be mean and do mean things to you over and over again, even when you ask them to stop. Bullying can be prevented through kindness, promoting acceptance, and encouraging inclusion. Wear orange on Wednesday to show we are united.